on either side of the room. If you'd just like to put your hand up, please.
Yep, I'm here.
Hello, Philip.
Just picking up on what Jane, Ciara and Mary said, and it's a comment and a question, okay? In the final slide, we had a call to action, and I think we should all recognise that, and we should all think that we can do it, and we should do it. There was a question there about should it be CONUL, or should it be THEA, or should it be the Library Association? Please, God, let's have a sector-wide approach. Can we please concentrate on the Library Association? And I declare my interest there, but please, let's do it once and not 3 separate times. And I'll just reinforce a question that you yourselves posed, and I'll turn it back on the audience. What do people want? What support do people want to help them do research and help them publish? So I'm just reinforcing your question and hoping that other people will pick up on that. Thank you.
I'm Helen Fallon. I want to just raise something about supports for research and publishing. Very frequently, if you ask people, they will say more time. But Dr. Rowena Murray, who some of you might be familiar with, who's written a lot about academic writing, did research based on academics, not librarians, in the UK. And she found that the main factor that influenced whether they published or how prolific they were was actually having colleagues who were publishing and presenting, and also the organisational culture. So I think that's something that we have to be aware of. The time is often cited, but if you are in an organisation where there's encouragement to publish and present, you are much more likely to do it.
And I just add to that, my own experience, and many of us, is that just people, it's the confidence thing, it's the time and the confidence comes from talking to people who've done it, to realise it isn't as daunting as you think, and it can be a very quick conversation, so it doesn't need to be structured training or anything like that. So the reason we're here today is to talk about how achievable and how attainable it is, and you don't need to be anything special to engage with research and to publish.
I guess I would add to that there's never enough time for anything.
Yeah.
So there's absolutely never enough time. But encouragement, I think that has to come from, from your workplace, but from others. But you don't have to limit yourself to what you're doing in your role. If you have other interests or other things that you're interested in, you can try to perhaps maybe collaborate with people outside of our profession as well. Because there's a huge learning curve publishing with others who come from different perspectives. So you may be in a role where there's not encouragement or there's not scope to publish, but there's certainly a range as educated people of things that we're interested in that you can publish on your own. And certainly with the support that we do get from Helen Fallon, I know we've all mentioned it, but someone like Helen has really opened the door for all librarians in Ireland. So I think we need to take a bit of a leaf out of Helen's book and keep it going.
Okay, well, if there's no further questions, then I think we'll wrap it up, because I'm aware of the fact that the next session is a panel session and the panel speakers need to set up. So thank you very much to all of the speakers.